Secure the toilet bowl to the floor by tightening the bolts just enough for stability while avoiding any excess torque that can crack the porcelain. Start by seating the toilet on a fresh wax or rubber flange seal and hand threading the bolts through the base to ensure even contact with the floor. Tighten each nut by hand until snug. Then use a socket wrench on a short extension to turn each side an additional quarter turn at a time, alternating sides to keep pressure even and avoid rocking. Check the bowl for any movement after each incremental turn. When the bowl stops rocking and sits firm but not pinched, stop tightening. If the porcelain feels very thin or you see hairline glaze irregularities near the bolt holes, back the nuts off slightly and add a thin rubber washer under the bolt head to distribute pressure. Use nylon or plastic bolt caps or covers to protect the metal and improve appearance while preventing the need to re-torque frequently. Finally, test by gently rocking the seat and bowl and by lifting the seat and stressing the base with your hands to confirm stability without stress points. Common mistakes include over-tightening the nuts until the porcelain cracks, which you avoid by using small incremental turns and alternating sides. Stripping or cross-threading bolts by forcing them, which you prevent by always hand-threading first and replacing damaged bolts, and relying solely on metal washers that concentrate force, which you fix by using rubber or nylon washers under the bolt heads to spread load and dampen vibration. Another frequent issue is uneven floor or flange height causing rocking, and you address that with shims made of plastic or composite under the base before final tightening and by trimming shims flush with a utility knife. A final concern is leaving exposed rusty bolts that corrode and seize, solved by installing corrosion-resistant bolts and adding plastic covers to protect and conceal them. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides a discussion community where we and other users exchange practical tips on tasks like toilet anchoring. We list contractor profiles so homeowners can find nearby help, and we offer contractors a place to showcase services and find new leads while participating in our community conversations.